This is one video which I really wanted to make since I started this channel. I love the EDC videos, the what's in a backpack videos which a lot of creators put out on YouTube. They're quite inspiring and personally help me a lot with my collection too. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's in my backpack and what I carry every day as a dentist. It's a very personal video and I'll try providing links to most of them in the description down below. We'll start off with my backpack of choice, and that is the Quechua NH500. The backpack has minimal branding at the front and has this particular design all over. It's a 32-liter backpack and has tons of space, multiple compartments and around dozen pockets. The middle compartment is huge and you can easily carry clothes for a 2-day trip too. The back compartment can house your tablets and laptops up to 17 inches. There's a pocket for your sunglass, secret mobile holders, and an outlet to charge your phone from a power bank inside the backpack. The padding is great, just that the straps feel a bit narrow for my shoulders, but overall very comfortable for everyday use. I personally feel it's one of the best multi-utility backpack out there. The phone that I use daily is the iPhone 15 in black. It's stealthy, feels premium and does the job for me. Right from the size to the performance, the cameras, it's really a good phone. The display at 60Hz is slightly disappointing, but you do get used to it after a while. And having USB-C finally on the iPhone means I can use just one cable to charge all my devices. Moving ahead with the laptop I use is the legendary MacBook Air M1. It's easily the best laptop I've ever owned. This is the 256GB storage version with a custom 16GB of RAM. I have edited more than 100 videos on it and not once has it ever given up on me. It's quite light, the display is good and the keyboard is decent. Sure, the newer models have smaller bezels with more ports, but this does the job for me. I use the UHG armor sleeve to protect it since day one and it's held up quite well. The sleeve also has a 500GB Samsung T5 external SSD and a cable creation USB hub. My go-to wireless earphones are the Nothing Ear 2. They sound great, fit well and the ANC works quite nicely. The main selling point are the aesthetics. I mean, it's probably the best looking one out there. I do put the earphones in a Spigen case which gives this nice Stormtrooper look to it. As a backup option, I also carry the new earpods with USB-C. So the next item here is the Mokobara pack kit, which I bought for better organization. I really like the design of the kit. It's well built and feels premium along with it being water resistant. The white clamshell opening is great and has many pockets inside. Initially I did not like the inner yellow color, but with time it has grown on me. Gives off this original Batman vibes. There is a Curaprox travel kit inside which I always carry and I've made videos on it. This is the keychain by Omuda which houses my keys. I really like this orange accent here. Also this small Batman box which was gifted to me and which contains a pen drive and a few adapters. There's also a Gizga Essentials cleaner to keep all my electronic products in their best possible condition. Of course, being a dentist, I do carry some dental stuff with me. This is the Caresmith Spark Z which I'm carrying with me as a travel brush currently. What I really like is that it's a fairly inexpensive toothbrush and comes with USB-C charging and cleans decently too. Expect a proper review on it soon. I also believe a dental floss is quite essential for daily use, so I carry one with me all the time. And here are some mints too. So I also carry a camera every single day, and that is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, which is also the camera I'm currently shooting on. I had the Mark I for almost 3 years until I bought the Mark II. Almost every video has been shot on the ZV-1s, including this video. The battery is frankly average, but it's always connected to a power bank when I'm shooting with it. It's pocketable, easy to carry, the autofocus is superb and the quality you get straight out of it is wonderful. When you have so many gadgets, of course you require a power bank. And the one I carry is the Umbrain 27,000 mAh 20W power bank. It fast charges my iPhone and also has this triple inputs which I really appreciate, and it comes in handy in many situations. It's a little on the heavier side but comes in clutch during traveling. For charging all my devices, I use the Spigen GAN charger. I've been quite happy with its performance and find it super useful in charging two devices at the same time. Works clearly as advertised. When you work in healthcare, you're bound to lose pens. And so for that, I've stuck with these pens since a long time, quite economical and do the job for me quite well. I've also started carrying a small notebook with me to jot down my future video ideas. As you know, you need to keep yourself hydrated all the time. And so the next item here is the Fine Dine sports bottle. It comes in this nice black matte finish. It's a triple vacuum insulated bottle with 3 super useful lids. It's built like a tank and keeps the liquid hot and cold as advertised for hours. Easily fits in the sides of the backpack. Since monsoon is here, I have to carry an umbrella, which in my case is from Rylan. It's a small automatic open travel umbrella which is ideal for one person only. I carry 2 wallets with me. One is from Daily Objects and the other one is from Massimo Dutti, which I use for my cards and also to carry some cash. Hands down, my favorite accessories are the watches. I'm a big Casio guy and I keep changing them from time to time. But the watch that is currently having the most amount of wrist time is the Casio Duro. It goes well with almost everything and is a great everyday watch. I mean, what more can I say about this watch? Just look at it, it's a 10 on 10. So these are all the different items that I consistently carry every single day. I've provided links for most of them in the description down below. Drop a like if you enjoyed my EDC and consider subscribing if you want to see more such content. I'll see you all soon in the next one.